Hey everyone, Steve Clugston here, Superintendent of Pine Tree ISD. I've been in this business for 33 years. I don't know that I remember a time when there's been more negativity about what schools do or don't do tossed around in the political world. So I'm here today to tell you what we do every day at Pine Tree ISD, because I think you need to know that. Every day at Pine Tree ISD, we're teaching kids how to think, not what to think. We're teaching kids how to rise to expectations, not make excuses on why they can't. We're teaching kids how to make good choices and good decisions so they don't have to endure a lifetime of pain from making poor decisions. And we're teaching kids you got to put in whatever amount of work it takes to get the job done, because you can't sit around and wait on somebody else to do it. Basically, we're helping teach kids how to be successful adults. And here's the thing. For the kids that go home to somebody who reinforces this, their future success as an adult is all but guaranteed. But for the growing number of kids that don't have somebody at home to help reinforce that, our job's a lot harder. But it just means that what we do is that much more important, because every kid deserves an opportunity to have a life full of success, but somebody has to teach them how to do it. And that means we all have to do our part to make that happen. That includes the school, parents, the community. So don't ever pass up an opportunity to invest your time and energy in your local public schools, because our kids' future, which is the future of our state, depends on it. Come be a part of Pine Tree ISD.